Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to use keyboard shortcuts, navigation, in Spotify applications. So how to use keyboard shortcuts, navigation, in Spotify applications? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, please enter the Spotify application on your computer. Well, here you are on the main Spotify display. Next I went to Playlist, which I previously ran. Spotify provides a variety of keyboard shortcuts to ease navigation and accessibility for users. Control-Alt-Right arrow or left arrow. Back and forward in history function allows users to go back to the previous page or forward to the next page in their navigation history. Alt-Shift-H, i.e., Home, takes users directly to the Spotify homepage, where personalized recommendations and collections are displayed. Control Preferences opens the settings menu to change app options such as audio quality, offline mode, or account settings. Control-L Search opens the search page to allow users to search for songs, artists, albums, or podcasts. Alt-Shift-S Like Songs provides quick access to a list of songs that have been marked as liked by the user. Alt-Shift-Q. Q opens the queue of songs that are currently playing next, including scheduled playlists. Alt-Shift-0. Your library takes users to their library, which contains personal collections such as saved playlists, albums, artists, and podcasts. Alt-Shift-1. Your playlist opens a list of the user's personal playlists to manage or play songs from them. Alt-Shift-2. Your podcast allows users to access a list of podcasts that have been saved or followed. Alt-Shift-3. Your artist displays a collection of artists that have been followed or saved by the user. Alt-Shift-4. Your album displays a collection of albums that have been saved. Alt-Shift-5. While your audiobook provides access to a collection of audiobooks available on Spotify. These shortcuts are designed to increase the ease and convenience of accessing various Spotify features. So that's it. Tutorial how to use keyboard shortcuts, navigation, in Spotify applications. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.